In the last video, I talked about ways to boost your memory and brain using the food that you eat. In this video, I will talk about ways to improve your memory. Drinking water, at least 8 glasses a day, because our brain is mostly made of water. Water acts as a shock absorber for brain and spinal cord, as it helps our brain cells and nutrients. If it's difficult to drink plain water, just add a little lemon or mint leaves. Socialization. Just 10 minutes of talking to another person improves your brain. Drinking coffee. Caffeine has actually been shown to enhance memory and reduce the risk of Parkinson and Alzheimer's disease. That is from a trusted source study. Don't binge drink. Moderate consumption of alcohol may have a possible effect on your memory, but keep in mind that moderate means just 1 drink for a woman and 2 for a man. Meditation. Meditation helps improve several cognitive functions like focus, concentration, memory, and learning. May actually rewire the brain and encourage more connection between the brain cells. Manage stress. I know we all have stress one day or another at some point. It may be from school, work, family, and much more. But when you're stressed, your brain releases stress hormones like cortisol. Cortisol has been shown to greatly impair the brain's memory process, especially our ability to retrieve, according to trusted source, long-term memory. Enjoy nature. Getting into nature is incredibly important for our emotion and physical health. Enjoying nature can even be considered a form of meditation. Try it sometimes. You will love it. Get physical. In your house or at the gym, exercising has been shown to have cognitive benefits. It improves oxygen and nutrients delivery to the body and helps to create new cells in the brain, which is essential for memory storage. Avoid certain medication. Only drink medication from your doctor. Remember to follow doctor's instruction, as it is dietary and life-changing too. Some prescriptions like statin for high cholesterol have been associated with memory loss and brain fog. Other medications that affect your brain are antidepressant, anti-anxiety medication, hypertension drug, sleep aid, and metformin. Keep yourself busy. A busy schedule can maintain your brain episodic memory. One study linked to busy schedule to better cognitive function. That study was self-reported, as people did the study themselves and concluded that busy schedule helped their memory. Don't turn to Google right away, guys. Before researching in your phone or Siri or Google, make a solid attempt to retrieve the information with your own mind. This process helped retain full the natural pathway in your brain. Use your senses. Another tactic of memory is they don't just rely on the sense to help retain information. Instead, they relate information to other senses like color, taste, and smell. Repeat and retrieve. Each time you learn new information, try to repeat it several times. That way, the brain will mentally record it. Learn something new. Memory strength is just a muscular strength. The most you use it, the stronger it gets. But you can't lift the same size weight every day and expect to get strong. You must be able to expand so that your brain will be stronger. Lose GPS. Another common mistake is relying on GPS every time you drive. Poor hippocampal health is associated with dementia and memory cells. I know, I use GPS each time I drive somewhere that I don't know. But now I know. Sleep on a regular schedule. Go to sleep each night at the same time and get up at the same time each morning. Try not to break your routine on the weeks, as this can greatly improve your quality of sleep. Avoid bright screens before bed. The blue light emitted by cell phone, TV, and computer screens inhibits the production of melatonin, a hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycles. Try to eat most of these foods. Plant-based foods, especially green leafy vegetables and berries, whole grains, legumes, nuts, chicken and turkey, olive oil or coconut oil, herbs and spices, fatty fish such as salmon and sardines, red wine, but all in moderation. Fatty fish are rich in source of omega-3 acid. Omega-3s play an important role in building your brain and nerve cells. Eat less of these foods. Sugar processed foods, butter, red meat, fried foods, salt, and cheese. Study shows that sugar and fat has been linked to impaired memories. Construct a mind place. The mind place technique is often used by memory champions. In this ancient technique, you create a virtual and complex place to store a set of memories. Games like chess, etc. Practice yoga. 20 minutes of yoga significantly improve participation, speed, and accuracy of memory tests. Participants performed significantly better on the test after yoga compared to aerobic exercises. And this is why doing yoga every day is very good for your health and for your brain. Shed some extra weight. People with more fatty tissues tend to have less water than other people with less fatty tissues. Overweight people also have less brain tissue. Tested resources show that the more overweight you are, the more your brain is likely to shrink and affect your memory. Thank you so much guys for watching. In the last video, I talked about food to eat to boost your memory.